Society runs on two specific instructions. You need money to make money, and you must wait until graduation to start your actual life. These instructions create a statistical trap where you locate a friction point, build a mechanism to resolve it, and extract value from the result. Find a problem, create a solution, get paid. Mastering this equation moves you from a passive consumer scrolling through feeds to an active creator building market value. Consider your daily routine. You spend hours taking notes, struggling to understand complex lectures, and organizing chaotic information so you can pass your exams. Millions of your peers are currently staring at that same material, completely lost and unable to synthesize the coursework effectively. When you develop a way to understand a subject faster, you have created a digital asset. You can package that clarity into structured guides, PDFs, or short explanatory videos. Your product is a shortcut. By selling your synthesized notes, you provide other students with hours of saved frustration and a direct path to better results. The knowledge engine turns a solitary academic chore into a scalable asset that generates returns long after you finish the class. For those without technical skills, the arbitrage model offers a different path. Online businesses are desperate for video editing and copywriting, while thousands of talented freelancers struggle to find clients or manage a schedule. You fill the gap between capital and labor. You become the central manager who connects the business's budget to the freelancer's skill. You secure the contract, assign the tasks, oversee the delivery, and keep the project on track while retaining the margin in the middle. This system requires no coding or design ability. It relies entirely on clear communication and reliable organization. The arbitrage engine shows that income is often the result of organizing existing talent rather than possessing it yourself. The final system uses a habit you've already mastered, checking your phone and replying to messages. Many creators have built large audiences, but lack the time to actually talk to them. Their comment sections and inboxes are full of unaddressed opportunities. You can deploy your existing screen time as a community management service, handling the daily interactions that creators are too busy to manage. Start by offering a few days of free work to prove you can increase their engagement numbers. Once the creator sees the value of a managed community, you move them to a paid monthly retainer. The engagement engine converts a primary source of student distraction into a steady, recurring income stream. You now have 3 distinct roadmaps, but these systems only function if you move from observation to execution. While hitting that first $1,000 is the target, the money is just the evidence of a deeper change in how you operate. You are training yourself to think like a CEO, someone who proactively identifies a need and builds a system to fill it. Select one system. Start today. Expect the first few attempts to be messy, and use that feedback to improve your process. The exit from the academic waiting room opens the moment you make an irreversible decision to act, long before any capital hits your account. Generating value on demand creates a personal autonomy that shifts how you view the years following graduation. You move from waiting for an opportunity to knowing exactly how to build one.